Also, in the new version we add some possibilities in TeslaCloud. Let's take our old project and let's set up it for cloud. We choose name, plant 2, and name of the how it will be named in the cloud, plant 2, and group ID. That depends on project name. In our case, it's plant 2, and tag group, tag subgroup, and tab subgroup. That depends on the values you can find here. Tag subgroup, and we'll take the same project but change project name plant, and you can see name of the cloud plant also, so we simulate like it's the same with the same parameters. Project will be used in other plant. You can use other project for these purposes, but I like to demonstrate the purposes, the possibilities, because we have the same tag names but different project name plant. And now let's run this project on TeslaCloud to runtime. Both project we use for these purposes, plant 1 and plant 2, and open it on our screen. We use for these purposes local server, and we're going to provide these possibilities for all, not use only TeslaCloud for these purposes. So we can provide possibilities to deploy local TeslaCloud in your projects. And you can see we show both plans, and it's possible. You can see. Also, I forgot to tell in the first video that we add possibility to demonstrate SVG objects in images. So we can use image object and choose SVG image, but it looks a bit different in the cloud, in the web, and in the runtime desktop version. So it's better to use PNG and BMP extensions for extension files. Also, it's possible to see now all tags in settings. So you can open, so plant, and you can see values. You can see all the values. And for plant 2, so you can demonstrate unified namespace for our project. That's all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or on our forum.